Well, hello everyone and welcome to this comparison between Tella versus Descript, which is better for screen recording and editing. Well, if you're serious about screen recording and video editing, you know that picking the right tool can literally make or break your workflow. So we'll be taking a look at the features, pricing, pros and cons, and at the end, you have a solid reason to make your choice. We have the link to both services in the description so you can get a head start at the end of this video. And starting with the features. Now, both Tella and Descript offer screen recording capabilities. They allow you to capture your screen, webcam, and microphone. They both leverage AI for various tasks, aiming to simplify the editing process for content creators. However, their core strengths and approaches to video production differ significantly. Core editing philosophy. Tella excels in multi-clip recording and dynamic layout creation, enabling you to easily combine different shots and apply various visual layouts for recording for a polished presentation. Descript's core strength lies in its text-based editing, thus allowing you to edit audio and video by simply modifying a generated script, making it feel like editing a document. AI enhancement focus. Tella's AI primarily focuses on streaming video creation and enhancing visual output, offering automated silence and filler word removal and intelligent trimming. Descript's AI capabilities are broader, including studio sound for audio enhancement, overdub for AI voice cloning, AI eye contact correction, and AI green screen for more advanced post-production processes. Content creation scope. Tella is geared towards creating visually rich and engaging screen recordings, tutorials, and presentations, with emphasis on presentation and design. Descript is a more comprehensive audio-video editor that happens to include screen recording, making it suitable for podcasts, full-length videos, and complex multimedia projects. Workflow integration. Tella offers a more simplified, all-in-one web-based solution for recording, light editing, and sharing. Descript, while having a web app, is more robust as a desktop application, whether it's Mac or Windows, integrating complex editing features and project management for larger productions. Customization and branding. Tella provides extensive options for customizing video backgrounds, adding transitions, and applying brand elements like logos and custom domains directly within the recording and editing process. Descript offers dynamic captions and basic branding, but its visual customization tools are more focused on the functionality of text-based editing rather than the aesthetic design of the video itself. And now I would like to talk about the pricing, starting with Tella. Tella offers flexible pricing plans designed to cater to different creator needs. So you have two main plans. You have the Pro plan at $19 per month per user, with key features such as unlimited videos, unlimited recording, AI video editing, instant sharing, upload clips, 4K export, and it's perfect for serious solo creators. Then you have the Premium plan at $49 per month, and this contains everything in the Pro plan plus custom branding, custom domain, video analytics, and advanced sharing. This is great if you're trying to build your brand and understand your audience. Now here are the details of Descript's pricing. Descript offers tiered plans designed to fit different creator needs with increasing features for more advanced use and collaboration. You have the Hobbyist plan at $16 per month per person, with features where you get to elevate your project with watermark-free videos. It includes 10 transcription hours per month, you can export in 1080p, and 20 uses of basic AI actions. Then you have the Creator plan at $24 per month, and here you can unlock advanced AI-powered creativity, and it also includes 30 transcription hours, export in 4K, watermark-free, and unlimited basic and advanced AI suite including translation. You have the Business plan at $50 per month. With this plan, you can empower collaboration on your team, and it also includes 40 transcription hours per month, free basic seats for collaboration, and unlimited access to focus on professional AI action suite, including translation. Now here's to the pros and cons. Starting with Tella on the bright side. Tella is excellent for dynamic multi-clip screen recordings with visually appealing layouts. It has an intuitive user interface for content creators focused on polished presentations. It also has a strong emphasis on design and branding within the platform. AI features effectively streamline video flow by removing silences and filler words. And it also has the ability to re-record individual segments, thus saving time and effort. On the flip side, with the cons, editing capabilities are more focused on presentations than deep, granular video manipulation. There is no dedicated mobile application for recording or editing on the go. It also lacks some of the more advanced AI features found on Descript, such as AI, eye contact, and overdub. It also may not be ideal for complex multi-track audio-video projects. And now to Descript. On the bright side, it has a revolutionary text-based editing which simplifies complex video and audio cuts. It has a comprehensive suite of AI tools for audio enhancement and video effects. It also is ideal for podcasting and multi-track audio-video editing. It has a generous free plan to get started with core features. Strong collaboration features are also included for team projects. On the other hand, with the cons, it can have a steeper learning curve for users new to its unique text-based workflow. Now, the screen recording is a feature among many, and thus not its sole focus, so specialized screen recording layouts are less dynamic than Tella's. It can be resource-intensive, potentially leading to slower performance on older machines. And AI feature usage quotas on lower tier plans can be restrictive for heavy users. Now, while it has a web version, the desktop app is where its full power truly lies, so using the web version might not be the best. In conclusion, the choice between Tella and Descript ultimately comes down to your primary needs. If your main goal is to create visually dynamic, polished, and branded screen recordings, tutorials, and presentations with a focus on intuitive design and efficient production, Tella is a great choice. It excels in making your content look professional without requiring deep editing expertise. However, if you're looking for a more comprehensive audio-video editing suite with revolutionary text-based editing and advanced AI capabilities, Descript is a clear winner. It's built for those who produce podcasts, longer-form video content, and need a powerful all-in-one editing hub. Don't forget to check out the links to both Tella and Descript in the description below so you can make your choice and get a head start. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.